Hi guys, today I will explain about how to fade out in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and open a project. As you can see, I'll do all these things. And also, I import my video from my computer to Clipchamp. Now, in order to add this video in the timeline, take your mouse cursor and click on this plus, and then it will be added to the timeline of Clipchamp. Now, time to apply the fade out effect. The first thing here you have to do is you have to separate that part in which you want to apply this effect. So just for showing you, I will separate the last part of this video. So I will split this part. And as you can see, I split this part, and I will apply the fade out effect at the end of this video. I will take my timeline to that part where I want to apply the fade out, and then I will click on it, and now take a look on the right side. You will see multiple options. From these, on the third number, you can see the option of fade. Just click on it. On the top, you can see the option of fade in, and just below it, you can see the option of fade out. This one is the time duration on which you want to show your fade out effect. And also, this line is for time duration. As you can see, if I change the line, then the time of fade out will be increase and decrease. Now adjust the time. And also, if you click on it, you can also enter your time manually. So I will enter 3 seconds. Now once you think the time is done, let me play the video so you can see everything clearly. And as you can see, the fade out effect has been applied easily,